Hello students, in last class you have learned about economic importance of fungi. Today you will learn about agriculture and about crop plants and its different categories. First, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the science of growing plants and crops as well as rearing of animals for food and other needs. This is called agriculture. Crop plants, the plants which are grown for food or grown on a large scale for food are called as crop plants. These crop plants are harvested annually or seasonally. The edible parts obtained from them may be in the form of grains, root, vegetables and fruits. Crop plants are categorized into two categories, that is food crops and cash crops. Food crops which are cultivated for food only. For the production of food, for an example, cereals, pulses, oil seeds, etc. Cash crops which are cultivated for commercial purposes, means for business purpose, for business point of view, which are cultivated. Example, rubber, tea, coffee, spices, etc. These are the categories of cultivated crops. Again, crops are categorized into two categories based on the season in which they are cultivated. Based on the season, the crops which are cultivated have been categorized into two categories, that is Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops, they are also called as autumn crops. Means these crops are raised or grown in rainy season in between June to October. These crops are grown in rain-fed areas which are hot and which need hot and humid climate, usually in eastern and southern part of India. Rice is an example of Kharif crop which needs waterlogging condition and which is cultivated in rainy season because it needs a waterlogging condition for its growth, and the average temperature it requires, that is 16 to 20 degree centigrade during growing season and 18 to 32 degree centigrade during ripening. It needs a average rainfall of 150 to 200 centimeter and a flooded field during growing period. The next crop is Rabi crop. These crops sown in October or in early November month. These are also called as winter crops, and the one example of Rabi crop is wheat, which is sown in October or in early November month. It requires an average temperature of 10 to 15 degree centigrade during sowing time and 21 to 26 degree centigrade during ripening. and it requires a average rainfall of 15 to 100 centimeter. And the main crops which are grown in India, that is cereal crops like rice, wheat, barley, maize, pulses like beans, gram, chickpea, oil seeds and crops like groundnut, mustard, sunflower, root crops like sweet potato, turnip, carrot, tuber crop like potato, tapioca, sugar crops like sugarcane, beetroot, plantation crops like coffee, tea, rubber, fiber crops like cotton and jute. These are the main crops which are grown in India for commercial purposes as well as for food, as well as in the form of food crops. For more detail, just go through your textbook. Today's homework, question number 1, define agriculture. Question number 2, differentiate between A, kharif crops and rabi crops, B, food crops and cash crops. Write at least 3 differences. Thank you.